morning, everybody. I'm here this morning. I wanted to work on my art journal for a little bit, and oh, I left my Mod Podge open. Sorry. Anyways, I need to add some layers of paint to a few things here today, and we'll see if that's all we're going to do or if I'm going to do some other things. But for right now, we're just going to work on these pages and add a little paint here and there to just add the next layer until I decide whether or not they're finished. Is anything ever finished, really? So this is one of those ones I put the papers, the painty papers that I had, and I'm just gonna add some paint because I didn't like that white stripe down there. And of course we never know exactly what we want until we get it there, so I partially need to tie things together because these little papers were separate pieces, so that's kind of what I'm doing. And I think we'll stop right there and let that dry and see where it goes next time. So let's clean up the mess. Now, I forgot I was going to turn the sound off and just let you watch so I can speed this up. And I'm sorry about wiggling the table. I keep forgetting when I'm cleaning things. So anyways, I'm going to paint for a little while and I'll be back towards the end and we'll discuss what I did. hope the rain doesn't make so much noise that you can't hear me. We're getting a wonderful thunderstorm again this morning. Anyways, I just wanted to show you, recap what I did. I really like this one the way it was, but I wanted to add just a little bit of pin work to pop it out, also to tie it to the rest of the pages in the book. So this one is all finished, and it says, God did give us children to make our dreams seem worthwhile, by Lorraine Hansberry. Anyway, so that one's all done. And then I added some paint layer. This one is a hot mess, and it's just going to take a while, I think. This one is pretty good, but there again, I'm not exactly satisfied with them. So we'll have to see. These ones where I had used the painty paper, in some respects, I'm not exactly sure I like where it's going, because I lose my painty papers and they were so pretty, and yet at the same time, that's what layers are supposed to be about, is about building on the next thing. So we'll see. So far, I'm not exactly thrilled with that one. This one's better. Partially, I think, because the colors were stronger. It's coming along. And then I did a couple more. This one, I'm not sure about. It may be ready to finish. I'm just going to have to look at it for a while. That's what happens sometimes. I have to look at it for a while. And this one, and I am pretty close to ready to finish this one. So we'll just have to wait and see how they go. And I hope you guys have a great day. Go enjoy your morning. Go make some art. And if you do like my videos, please give them a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Bye-bye.